Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to book flights with Skyscanner. All right. First up, go ahead over to skyscanner.com. Or if you have a phone, go ahead and download the phone app from your Play Store or App Store. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and pick the location where you wanted to begin the flight, which is from, for example, Philippines right here. Okay. If you want to be more specific, you can go ahead and select which city you are departing. Okay. For example, Davao right here. Now, to or the place where you're going to. Click on it. For example, you can go ahead and type in maybe UK, United Kingdom right here. Click on it. Departure date, select the date, maybe tomorrow. And the return, of course, maybe on July 1. Okay. If you're trying to book one way, click on the drop down right here and select one way. For example, right here, as you can see, you can only pick one date as it is set to one way. Once you're done, just hit on apply. Travelers in cabin class right here, click on it. If it's only you who's planning to have a flight, well, just go ahead and include one. Leave it one right here. If you have someone with you, which is 18 plus, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign right here and it will be added. Children, 17 below, just click on the plus sign and you'll be able to see age of child right here. Select the age and once done, hit on apply. Okay. If not, just leave it to one and hit on apply. Once done, hit on search. Now in here, you'll be able to find the cities of UK. For example, you're planning to go to London right here. Click on London and you will be able to find all of the available flights from your city to London. Okay. If you want to select the cheapest one, click on the cheapest right here. And here we have the cheapest flights. Okay. Here we have it. The time, 34 hours to 40 minutes right here. If you're happy with it, you can go ahead and click on select. Now, you'll find different booking partners right here like trip.com. Now, as you can see here, the only one that is available is My Trip. Now you can go ahead and click on book now. You can review the details right here or the flight details. Okay. Now, once you're happy with it, click on book now and you'll be landed to mytrip.com or your booking partner. Now, in here, you have many selections as well, like shorter flight time, morning arrival, and the option with self-transfer if you wish. Okay. For example, you have selected this one right here. If you're happy with it, just click on view trip. And here, as you can see, you can go ahead and click on show trip details. Scroll down and the baggage right here, click on the drop down. And as you can see, it is included one personal item right here, one cabin baggage, and one checked baggage. Okay, 7 kilograms and 23 kilograms. Now, if you're happy with it, just click on select. Wait for a new page to load. Now, in here, you're just going to fill in these informations like your email and mobile number. Also, passenger, your name, first name and surname. Review the baggage right here. And you have these bundles as well. Okay, once you're happy with it, just hit on continue and then continue with the payment process. And once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.